Hello, thank you for joining us. Today I'll be presenting a study of solar cooking, exploring climate-resilient food preparation and opportunities for HCI. My name is Alejandra Vega, and I am a PhD student from the School of Arts, Media, and Engineering at Arizona State University. Presenting on behalf of my co-authors, Assistant Professor Stacey Kuznetsov and Associate Professor Elenore. The world is projected to heat up and experience more extreme heat waves over the next few decades, presenting urgent challenges for human health and economy. Food systems play a critical role in the modes of food production, distribution, and preparation that contribute to and are impacted by climate change. Sustainable food systems are increasingly studied in human-computer interaction. For example, current research has focused on our values towards sustainable food systems and playful and speculative metaphors to envision alternative food futures. Our research focuses on solar cooking as an alternative area of research on climate-resilient food systems and a point of reflection for food preparation and climate change. In our research, we present solar cooking as a set of creative DIY activities that embody both adaptation to and mitigation of extreme heat. For example, this practice lowers electricity, gas, and energy consumption. It encourages upcycling materials and reducing food waste through preservation. Solar energy has been used to prepare food for thousands of years. Some of the earliest known practices include warming wafers and dehydrating ingredients. Today, DIY designs range from ultra-cheap setups to more intricate designs and commercial ovens ranging from $50 to $400. In our work, we ask, what are the capabilities and limitations of solar cooking as a means of sustainable food preparation? And how can HCI lower the barrier to entry and support solar cooking amongst individuals and communities? To answer these questions, we conducted a summer-long solar cooking study with 7 food enthusiasts in Phoenix, Arizona, where temperatures regularly exceeded 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Participants designed their own solar cookers from low-cost materials such as reflective tape, foil, wood, cardboard, and bricks, and participants prototyped their own solar ovens. Participants experimented with solar recipes over the summer, and they had access to a community Facebook group where they shared recipes, tips, failures, and questions. We analyzed data from the solar oven prototyping workshop, Facebook posts, solar potluck at the end of the summer, and one-on-one semi-structured interviews. Audio from all events and interviews were recorded and transcribed, and the researchers repeatedly read and revisited the transcripts alongside our field notes and photographs to draw out underlining themes using open coding. We also cross-checked the emergent themes with participants' Facebook posts. Our findings presented 4 different themes: motivations for solar cooking, approaches to solar oven design, types of solar cooking experiments, and solar cooking challenges. Participants found solar cooking to be an opportunity to practice and experiment with different cooking methods. It also built a sense of community as they often reached out to others for troubleshooting and sharing ideas and tips. All the participants designed their ovens using primarily the materials they had on hand. In the image, we can see in the A box a solar oven made from cardboard. In the B, it was made from an acrylic tube. C, a car sunshade. And D and E are a camp chair, bricks, an emergency heat blanket, and black spray paint. Most participants began by experimenting with simple recipes they had previously tried with regular ovens, a strategy that led to varying degrees of success. Here we can see participants making carrot chips. Failures led participants to iterate on the oven designs and to experiment with different cooking methods. It is important to note that some failed attempts did result in food waste. Some participants experimented with low-temperature recipes, such as dehydration. Others used a hybrid method, where they combined regular cooking appliances and other solar ovens to prepare complex items such as meats. By the end of the summer, participants were able to create several successful meals, such as banana chips, sun-dried tomatoes, kale chips, and beef jerky. Participants highlighted having trouble finding information for beginners. A lack of information on how to adapt recipes or check for food safety was a challenge. The time of day, wind, and shade also presented themselves as challenges for participants. One of our participants' apple chips were blown away, while another pizza's attempt was ruined by clouds. These challenges led to participants constantly having to track the temperature or precision of the cookers towards the sun. To wrap up, I would like to reference some big takeaways for HCI. Participants were able to successfully create and prepare solar cooked meals throughout the study, like banana chips, sun-dried tomatoes, kale chips, and beef jerky. Capabilities and limitations of solar cooking. Regular cooking methods such as boiling or frying are harder to achieve in solar ovens. A high degree of planning is necessary when preparing solar cooking meals. Adapting recipes to solar ovens or low temperature cooking is needed. Gathering ingredients, consulting the weather, and monitoring the oven. Solar cooking is climate resilient practice. Solar cooking supported adaptation to extreme heat and mitigated impact on the environment through reduced energy consumption. There are two ways that HCI can support solar cooking. First, HCI researchers can innovate how solar cooking knowledge is captured, analyzed, and shared. Future solar oven technologies could capture user interactions during cooking and generate online recipes based on temperature, time, and care during the food preparation process. Participants underscored the value of social support when engaging in solar cooking. HCI could explore systems that enable real-time live sharing and troubleshooting during solar cooking in different locations, building on solar cooking as a community practice. There is an urgency to envision creative mitigation and adaptation strategies in response to accelerating climate change. Solar cooking is an alternative touchpoint for HCI to engage with climate-resistant food systems and extreme heat. Thank you for watching.